The cheapest commodity on planet Earth is an opinion. Everybody has one. And I guarantee you the people with the loudest opinions usually have the quietest resumes. I want you to really process that for a second. The people who are making the most noise about your life, your choices, your dreams, and your hustle are the exact same people who haven't built a damn thing of their own. Haters are not your problem. They are your confirmation. They are the blinking red light on the dashboard of your life telling you that you are finally moving at a high rate of speed. Nobody kicks a dead dog. Nobody gossips about the guy who is doing absolutely nothing, who is completely average, who blends seamlessly into the background. When they start whispering, when they start dropping those slick, passive-aggressive comments, when they start questioning your sanity, that is the universe tapping you on the shoulder saying, congratulations, you have officially separated yourself from the pack. I want you to open up that mental filing cabinet. Pull the file of that old boss who said you didn't have the leadership skills. Pull the file of that ex who told you that you were going nowhere. Pull the file of that teacher, that relative, that so-called friend who laughed when you told them what you were going to build. Look at their faces in your mind. Hear their voices echoing in your head. And then throw your feet onto the cold floor and get to work. Use their doubt as your pre-workout. Use their mockery as your midnight oil. Let the thought of their eventual realization be the spark that ignites an absolute firestorm of action in your life. While they are gossiping, you execute. While they are complaining about the economy, the algorithm, the unfairness of it all, you outwork the competition. While they are trying to figure out how to tear you down, you are laying the bricks of a fortress they will never be able to penetrate. When you pull up in the car you dreamed about, when you fly private, when you buy your mother the house she always deserved, when you achieve a level of financial and personal freedom that most people only see in movies, they are going to have a whole new set of things to say. Now they'll say you got lucky, they'll say you changed, they'll say you're arrogant. Let them say, because you will know the truth. You will remember the sweat equity you deposited in the dark when nobody was watching. You will remember the tears you cried when you were so stressed you couldn't breathe. You will remember the failures, the rejections, the closed doors, the times your bank account was negative and you still found a way to invest in yourself. You built your empire brick by brick. Failure by failure, lesson by lesson. You didn't ask for a handout, you didn't wait for a savior, and you didn't let the noise of the crowd distract you from the work of your hands. So when you get to the mountaintop, you stand tall, you breathe in the rare air, and you refuse to shrink yourself to make the people still standing at the bottom feel comfortable. You owe nothing to your critics, but you owe everything to your potential. You have a very narrow window of time on this earth. Do you really want to spend it worried about the opinions of people who won't even be at your funeral? Do you really want to sacrifice your only chance at a legendary life because you were afraid someone might call you crazy? Be crazy. Be obsessive. Be relentless. Be entirely unapologetic about your pursuit of excellence. Torture them with your success. Suffocate them with your achievements. Make your reality so staggeringly beautiful and overwhelmingly successful that their words evaporate into thin air. Get up. Get dressed. Get focused. The only thing standing between you and the life you've been dreaming about is the work you are trying to avoid and the opinions you are choosing to entertain. Drop the opinions. Do the work. And let history be the ultimate judge of who was right.